Share a glance and greet and know each other. And now our time is up. Each one is packing up. We find another chance to meet again together and feel each other's call. I feel like breaking up. This time that almost always makes me cry. Before we say goodbye, I wanna let you know I love you. Thank you for playing my music. Thank you for singing my song. Thank you for sparing a moment, 'cause with you I feel I really belong. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for being my friend. And if our paths should cross somewhere, I'd like to sing this song again.
Hi Ma'am Rins, Ma'am Nice. Thank you kaayo sa time na nagkuyog ta. So, salamat sa iyong guidance sa kuha. Ang team mo dito sa 12. God bless sa inyong duha. Miss you ka. Kaya.
Hi, nice. Wala ko mga madi. Ano ko mga madi? Nababasa ng mga madi. Anta, mga makauban din mo ni rings na mga buta pa sa mga pareha sa mga kabutan, mga Fridays dito. Makachika, makabanding pods, mga like mine, sa mga wavelengths. Kita kids pohon, tapos pohon. Hi, Wins. Good luck. And God bless sa imong journey. And ito, mga buta din mga makauban. Ay, mga makachika, perminting. Tapos, and patupad na dyan ang plano. Hope pagka-baby na kasoon. Kita kids pohon. Bye-bye.
Hi, nice and rings. Mali na yun mo. No more beer nights. Region 12 is very lucky to have you, mga hardworking hospital servants. And nice, pinakadugay na ko so far na nakuyog sa team. Walay libog na tao. Sorry katong time na nahubog ka sa Tanduay, kaldero ako ang na-offer sa imo mga sukaan.
In a moment, 'cause with you I feel I really belong. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for being my friend. And if our paths should cross somewhere, I'd like to sing this song again. And if our paths should cross somewhere, then I'd really be glad, yes, I'd really be glad that I can thank you once again.